Polaris's geofencing kit. It's right there in the name, isn't it? Just imagine not only having the ability to set a passcode protected maximum speed for your Polaris vehicle, but using GPS technology, the ability to create artificial fences or boundaries where you can predetermine the speed, the maximum speed, inside that boundary or outside that boundary, or both. Any area, anywhere, any size. And this technology is already proven really successful in that little Ranger 150, where your kids can get up to speed as they learn, but under your control. Polaris have now developed and deployed this technology and applied it as a really affordable accessory option for the Ranger 1000 EPS, the Ranger 1000 EPS Premium in both 3 and 6 seat variants, just like this one. And all this is simply done via Polaris Ride Command app, where using this GPS technology, you can create your artificial boundaries. So I reckon Polaris offers a great opportunity to teach older kids in particular some of the base skills, the core fundamentals, the vehicle dynamics that they need to understand before they go out there with a license on the roads. I love that bit. But then imagine having the confidence to know you've got control over the speed of the vehicle in different areas when you're not around. I mean, I was that young lad once, and I know what I would have got up to, or did get up to, when my dad wasn't around. But then think about the commercial applications of this, the work sites, the mine sites, the raft of different paddocks that you have, the recreational parks and settings. I mean, think about the enthusiastic farm work around the homestead area, slowing them down, getting rid of the danger and the dust. Polaris geofencing kit. I reckon it's tomorrow's technology applied to an off-road vehicle today.